Nozomi from our team and home. Today's video is DIY video. Ooh. So today we are going to make this. This is Coconut Coir pot cover or pot mat. This will keep your soil moist, and also it prevents fungus gnats to lay their eggs on the soil. And it's very looks nice and natural looking and pretty. Alright, so these are the materials that we are going to use. Obviously, coconut coir. This is like a matte sheet version, and also pots to trace. Any pots you are going to use. This is a 5-inch pot. I'm going to trace, and this is a chalk. I'm going to use a chalk, but any pens or pencil you like to trace the pot. And also you want something to mark. Depends on the plants you're going to use. If you see right here, you want to make sure stems be out. So I'm going to use this size. Okay. And scissors. These are the scissors we carry. Very beautiful, sharp, handmade. And spray bottle with water. So first of all, oh, by the way, do you like this beautiful plant? Philodendron Mayoi. I think they are healthiest. Look at this. Babies are beautiful, and more babies coming up. Let's move this one right here. Okay, so let's open this sheet. And we've been already using this bar, so I want to make sure I don't want to waste any material. To look good. And using chalk to trace the pot I'm going to use. Yes. And now I'm going to use this one to make sure it's in center so the stem can come out. Is it centered? Okay. Trace this. Okay. Now I'm going to use a scissor to cut. There you go. It's okay if you cannot make it perfect circle, but you want to follow the line as much as you can, so there's no space in the pot you're going to use. It covers the soil the way you want. Okay. And then you don't have to, but if you really want to make it nice and clean, you could make a line here. So when you cut it to make a slit, it looks very nice. And now you're going to make a circle. Again, if you can make it perfect circle, that would be great. Just do what you can. You can still looks Nice. Okay. This is, and also it's kind of adjustable a little bit. This is how it looks like. Now, let's bring our plant. Oops. This is 5-inch pot, and this is a Kinto porcelain pot we carry, and this is a size large. Okay, so all you have to do is put in here, and then you can adjust. Make sure it's covered nicely. It's better to make, I think, a little bigger so you can actually cover it all. And then, very important, moist. Make sure it's nice and moist enough. This is how we look. Okay? Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Leave any questions or requests on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you soon. ありがとうございました。